Hello there, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can design your form. So this is the form interface. In the right corner there's a button, click on that. Over there you can find the styles, themes and the option. From that option you can change and design your form. So first thing is layout. You can change the layout of your form. There's three options given, like the single column, it will appear like this, and if you select two column it will design like that, and if you click on the single line then your form will be in the single line as you can see. And the second option is input style. You can select box or the line from here, whatever you want. After that you can select the width of your form from here, your field spacing from here, your label width from here, and your label element from here. Moreover, you can also manage the padding and the margin from here into your form, and you can also enable and disable the label. If you want to hide the label, you can just toggle that off and your label will be hide from there. Moving forward, we have the second option called color and background. You can also change the background of your form from here by just clicking this. And you can also change the font color from here, and you can also change the input background from here as well. If you want to image in the background of your form, you can upload the image from here easily. And moreover, if you want to upload a header image, so you have to click on this image and upload the image, and your image will be uploaded successfully. Moreover, there is an option. If you want to branding your agency label in the form, you just toggle that on and your branding and your logo brand will be appear in the form over here. Moving forward, we have the other thing called theme. So this is the predefined theme using your CRM. You can also check that out. If you like anyone, just click on that use theme and your theme will be applied on the form. And in the styles there's a last option called advanced setting. Click on that. In that settings you can also change the border width. You can also corner the radius of your form, and you can also color the border, and you can also select the border style that you want the line in the lines, or you don't want the border, or you want the border style like the dotted one and the dashed one. You can also select from here. You can also give the shadow of your form. For that you have to select the color from here, for which specific color you want to shadow your form, and you how much horizontal you want the shadow, and how much vertical you want the shadow, and how much blur is your shadow will be, and how much it will spread. You can also check that out. And the other option is input field. You can also change the color of your input field from here, like this is the font color, this is the archive tag color, the border width you can also adjust that from here, and in the border color you can also select the border color from here as well. And you can also change the corner radius by increasing them or decreasing them. Moreover, you can also width your form from here, input field, sorry, from here, and you can also select the border style, like the solid one you want the dotted, or you want the lining from here, or you don't want the border. You can also manage the input field padding and margin from here easily. Moreover, there is a shadow of your input field. You can select the color of your shadow which you want to given to the input field. You can also style that how much you want the shadow in the horizontal space or in the vertical space, and how much it will be blurred and how much it will spread. The, se- the next option is label. You can also change the color of your label from here, and you can also style your font. by selecting this particular design. After that, you can also size your font and weight your font from here. You can increase that or you can decrease that as well. After that, there is a short label. You can also color that label, and you can also change the style of that contact, and you can also change the font size and the font weight, same like the label one. After that, there is a placeholder. You can also same like the other one. You can also change the color of the space holder from here. You can also change the font family style from here, and you can also change the font size and font weight from here. Moreover, if you want to put any CSS, custom CSS in your form, you can just click on there and apply the CSS and hit on the save button. So this is all the way you can design your form. Hope you like it. Thank you.